Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. Here we have some Hydra Master flanges that I built for a customer. He purchased two of these assemblies. They're 2.5, and he uses the original gasket on his tank. And the problem with some of these Hydra Master tanks, and this particular one, would rust out and it would decay and just fall all apart. Lightly gauged metal. In this case, this is all stainless, and we use fully threaded females to allow you to change the direction in which this can go. You can either take this out and have the pipe come out straight. We also sell online 45s. This is a 90, but if you need a 45, we can accommodate you with a 45. In a lot of cases, some people don't even use this. They just use the straight pipe coming straight out of the stainless coupling. So these are 2.5 couplings, and you can purchase just the separate couplings, flanges, without having all the added fittings on there. So we do sell them separately. Look on our store at truckmountstore.com. It's open 24/7. And if you need a 3-inch, we can do a 3-inch. We can really do up to 4 inches if we had to, but the problem is that the opening is usually tailored for no more than 3 inches on most of these Hydra Masters. Again, these tanks that have this issue with Hydra Master, there's many other tanks too that if you decide to build your own tank, then you could purchase these as well, and that would help you in making sure that the fittings were on there, your return line is secured in place for a nice connection. So call us today at 727-505-2989. This is listed under the Hydra Master Flange tank assembly for the return line. And look us up on truckmountstore.com 24/7. Again, 727-505-2989. My name is Pete. Thanks.